In this video, you will create color-coded folders and subfolders to store the files you added to Drive. You already added files to Drive for different classes, but you have to scroll through them to find what you need. Creating and color-coding folders makes it easier and faster to find files because you can store them in separate places. Think of Google Drive like a dresser. Each folder is a drawer where you can separate your belongings into categories. Just like you might have a drawer for t-shirts, a drawer for socks, and a drawer for pants, you can create subfolders in Drive to store different kinds of files. For example, you might have separate folders for classes, a club or committee, and a community event you're organizing. Within each folder, you can create subfolders to store and organize related files. In the dresser example, think of subfolders like drawer dividers. One section of your shirt drawer could be for t-shirts, another section might be for long-sleeve shirts, and another section could be for tank tops. Even though there are 3 different sections, they are all part of the same shirt drawer. In Drive, you could have a folder for your math class with subfolders inside for class notes, group project materials, and study guides and test preparation. To start, open your Practice Organizing Files in Drive folder. Then create a new folder for one of your classes you added files for and give it a descriptive name. The new file shows up in your Drive. Continue adding and naming new folders until you have one of each of your classes: literature, math, biology, history, and Spanish. Next, color code your folders. Color coding helps you easily recognize folders whenever you open Google Drive. Choose a color for each folder you created. Use a color coding system that helps you remember what each folder is for. You might match folder colors to your class binders or notebooks, or match the folder colors to your classroom walls, or use your favorite colors for your favorite classes. Once you've changed the colors for your folders, create subfolders to store specific class files. This example creates a subfolder in the literature folder to store materials for an upcoming paper. Look at your files and think about how you might group them into subfolders inside your class folders. You might create a subfolder for notes in a particular subject and make another for a group project. For example, as you create subfolders, they automatically show up inside your original folders. Create at least one subfolder inside each class folder for storing your class files. Now it's your turn. Create and name new class folders for literature, math, Spanish, biology, and history. Give each folder a unique color, and create at least one subfolder inside each class folder for storing class files.